Hello everyone. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well and I am also fine. First of all, I would like to thank my respected sir for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. To be honest, I am beginner in English, so please forgive me if I make any mistake while speaking. My full name is Orun Ahmed Bijoy, but simply you can call me Bijoy. This is my nickname. Most of my family, friends, and relatives call me by this name, and I feel really comfortable with it. I am come from a small town Kishoreganj in Bangladesh, which is very beautiful city. I live in a small four happy family with four members, my brother, my parents, and me. Right now, I am studying in BSS department at a government college in Kishoreganj.